All right, so what we're going to do now is pretty much strip out all of the default theme content. Now mine probably looks a little different than yours because I installed the basic theme into each of your folders. And when I was going through making the videos, I probably clicked on something in inside my dashboard that updated the entire default theme that populated several pages so you could see all of the features of the theme. Okay, with that being said, I'm just going to go to Pages, and I'm just going to delete all of the pages. I believe the only one that you have in yours is this sample page. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of even the privacy policy. I don't care about this right now. So let's go ahead and trash this contact page, trash the blog, trash about, and let's go ahead and we'll leave our sample page here. Let's just take a quick look at what is on our sample page. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and look at my screen options, make sure all of these are checked. I'll leave the default template, and the next thing is let's scroll down, and I'm going to take a check away from trackbacks and pingbacks. I do not want the comments to show, so we should be good here. So I'm going to go ahead and update. Next thing I'm going to do is let's go to our appearance. We'll go to Customize, and I'm just going to begin at the top. So we'll go to Site Identity. I'm going to take away my name, my tagline, because I don't want any of this stuff. I'm going to start with an absolute blank page. So all of this looks good. So let's go back. Colors. We'll go ahead and just set this. Let's bring this down all the way to white. We should have white, all Fs. That's good. And the header and footer background are already set to white, so we should be fine. Let's just hit publish to do our update. And of course, you could use whatever you want from the theme. I just want to get this zeroed out as much as possible. All right, show search in the header. No. Show author bio. Nope. Full text, an archive page. I'll leave this at full text. Let's go ahead and publish. Let's go back. Cover template. Fix background. Let's just take this away for right now. Overlay background color. I'm going to leave this. We'll come back and possibly deal with this later. All right. I think I did this in the demo actually. I forgot to scroll back up and I X'd out when I should have scrolled up. And okay, gone over. Background image. We should be fine. Menus. We'll deal with this later. Widgets. All right, so I'm going to go to footer 1, and we're going to take this widget and we should be able to no, I think we're okay here. Okay, we can I think we're able to leave this one. Let's check number 2. All right, let's go ahead and remove. We'll publish. I'm going to double check footer 1. Maybe I didn't scroll down far enough. There we go. We'll remove. We'll publish. Let's go to homepage settings. We're going to go with the static page. Our static page will be, for right now, just our sample page. And we should be good. Let's go ahead and publish. Let's go back. Is there anything else? There's our additional CSS. We don't need to deal with that right now. All right, so that just leaves our social media icons. We might be able to get rid of these in our menu. Here's our social links. I'll go ahead and take the check away. We could delete the menu, but I'm just going to remove it for right now. This down here is something that WordPress doesn't like you to get rid of, but we can do that. I'll show you how later. All right. Okay, I believe we have removed a lot of the default. So let's go ahead and publish. Let's X out. And what we're going to do is, that should complete us for this video. We should have, let me just check real quick. I have this open in Safari. Let's just do a refresh. And that's okay. That's just because I don't have the other page set to be seen. So we'll fix this and we'll start customizing our theme in the next video.